Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of REDnote and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.